Shrek watch along then. There's me, the creature that's afraid of everything. Are you also the creature that rearranges molecules? Oh, that is one of the like coolest Bill's Life lines where Bill is so angry he's just like, Pines twins, when I'm done with you, I'm gonna disassemble your molecules. I want this time, yeah. When I that way. How does Refsheet robbery work? You put a Refsheet into the Refsheet robbery with your username, and then I will be sure to put your be sure to reference that Refsheet whenever I have to draw your character. I want it that way. Hey Garth, how you doing? Oh, Poppy Playtime Chapter 4 came out? I just noticed out of the corner of my eye that in my recommended feed, Astral Smith is currently playing Chapter 4, Poppy Playtime. Apparently Chapter 4 came out, huh? I guess about time, question mark? Like, how long has it been? Like a year since the since the last one? I remember Chapter 3 was like promised for like beginning of 2024, and then it dropped like somewhere midway 2024. And now it's 2025 and Chapter 4 releases. I mean, good thing they're not overworking their workers, obviously. Doing awesome. Just got back from morning run and had bronchitis, but haven't been able to run for a while, but now I feel better. So bronchitis is like basically clogged up throat, right? Like you can't like breathe that well, or like, you know, sniffles. It's something like that, right? Does anyone have a club card that they want to show me? Sigil has collected the stickers for January so far. Cool.